Miss this and your pods are crash looping in production at the worst possible time, with no alerts to notify you, leaving you to find out from frustrated customers who are already experiencing downtime. This scenario is all too common when monitoring and alerting systems are not properly set up or configured. A key component in preventing such scenarios, especially in Amazon Web Services (AWS) environments, is Amazon CloudWatch. CloudWatch provides monitoring and observability of AWS resources and applications, allowing you to collect and track metrics, logs, and other operational data. What it does: CloudWatch is a service offered by AWS that enables you to monitor your AWS resources and the applications you run on AWS in real time. You can use CloudWatch to collect and track metrics, collect and monitor log files, and set alarms. CloudWatch also provides a view of the overall health and performance of your AWS resources and applications. Command: example. To start setting up CloudWatch for monitoring and alerting, you first need to ensure that the necessary permissions are in place. This can be done by creating an ing role with the necessary policies attached. For example, to create a role for CloudWatch agent, you can use the following command. Here, CloudWatch agent role policy. JSON is a JSON file containing the policy document that defines the permissions for the role. Breaking it down, when setting up CloudWatch, several components come into play. Metrics: these are the data points that CloudWatch collects from your resources. Metrics can be used to create alarms, which can trigger notifications. Logs: CloudWatch logs allows you to monitor and troubleshoot your systems and applications by collecting log data. You can filter and analyze log data to find specific patterns or errors. Dashboards: CloudWatch dashboards provide a customizable view of the metrics and logs that are important to you. You can create dashboards to monitor resources across AWS services. Alarms: alarms are triggered when a metric crosses a certain threshold. You can set alarms to trigger actions, such as sending notifications to an SNS topic. SNS, Simple Notification Service. SNS is used to send notifications when an alarm is triggered. You can subscribe to an SNS topic to receive these notifications. Common mistakes: one common mistake is not properly configuring the ing roles and permissions for CloudWatch. Without the correct permissions, CloudWatch may not be able to collect metrics or logs, leading to incomplete or inaccurate monitoring data. Another mistake is not setting up alarms with appropriate thresholds, which can lead to either too many false alarms or missing critical issues. Try this next. After setting up the basic monitoring with CloudWatch, try configuring log groups and insights for more in-depth troubleshooting. Log groups allow you to group related log streams together, making it easier to analyze and filter log data. Log insights enable you to analyze log data using queries, which can help identify patterns or issues in your application logs. Pro tip: in production environments, it's crucial to regularly review and update your CloudWatch configurations to ensure they remain relevant and effective. This includes updating alarm thresholds, adding new metrics or logs as your application evolves, and ensuring that all necessary permissions are in place. Regularly testing your alarms and notifications is also essential to guarantee that you receive timely alerts in case of an issue, preventing the scenario where you find out about a production outage from a customer.